Hi all, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we saw how to create a pivot table using range of data. In this video, we will see how to create a pivot table using another method, that is table of dataset. Here, I have this sample data which gives sales information for each customer. Now to create a pivot table, make sure to follow certain tips for the best practices. That is, first is to make sure there is no blank row or blank column in the data set. So here if you see, this is a complete blank column. If we have such, we need to delete these columns or rows. The second is make sure each of the header of column they have meaningful name. So here I have price each. Let me make it price. And the third is we should have a table created using which we will create a pivot table. So here I don't have this data in a tabular format. So I'll create a table using this data set. Just click on any cell, go to insert menu and click table. If you see, it by default take all the data range, and make sure you have this checkbox. Check if your data has headers in it. Click OK. See, a table is created using the data that you have. Now, let's create a pivot table using this table as a source. Click on any cell, go to Insert menu, and click on Pivot Table. From Table or Range, this pop-up arrives and it first shows the source from which this pivot table would be created. And we need to choose where do we want to create this pivot table, in a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. For simplicity, let's choose new worksheet and click OK. Now once you do that, a new worksheet is created with a pivot table in that, and this area it show all the column that are present in the original dataset, which we can add or remove to the pivot table by using these areas: filters, columns, rows and values. Let's analyze the cells and a number of quantity ordered for each customer ID. So I'll take customer ID, cells and quantity column. Since cells and quantity they are numeric data set, they will be by default aggregated and will be added to the values area. Now the default aggregation for pivot table is sum, but if you want to change that, you can do it by clicking here value field settings, and you see these options where we can change the aggregation type to count, max, min, etc. Or you can do the same by going on the column, right click and summarize values by the different aggregation types. Let's say in the original data that I have, there is some addition to the data. There is some addition to the data. Let's say a new row is inserted in this table, and we need to see if this new row is reflected in the pivot table that we have created. Let's insert a row. Let me give some random ID to it and let the cells value be something. Now I have created this new row in the table, and I want to check if the pivot table is updated to show this customer ID. Let's go back and check. I can check here in the filter, and it is not yet updated or reflected in the pivot table. Now to show this, we can refresh the pivot table. How to do that? Just click on any cell, in the pivot table, go to pivot table analyze menu and this refresh option and click refresh. Once you refresh this, it will show the updated data. Now let's check. Here, if you see this new ID which we just added, it is updated in the pivot table. So in this way, when a pivot table is created on top of the tabular data, it can be refreshed by using this refresh option to show the new dataset added to the base table. Hope this video is helpful for you. In the next video, we will see more details about the pivot table and the operations that we can do on it. Until then, thank you so much.